Hey everybody, in this video we are going to simplify the trig expression you see on your screen right now using only fundamental identities, which include the reciprocal identities, quotient identities, and Pythagorean identities. So this expression we have right here is a sum. Usually the end goal is to bring the sum together, and oftentimes it requires you using using a common denominator. However, I do notice something slightly different, and that is if I play around with this cotangent theta in the denominator, cotangent in a denominator is like saying tangent in a numerator, since they are reciprocal identities. So this first part, this whole part right here, okay, I can rewrite, right? I can rewrite by leaving cosine theta as it is, and then cotan theta becomes tan theta in the numerator. Here, I already have the product of those two things. It's just written in the other order. I mean, commutative property, I could turn it around if I want to. That's always legal in a sense like this. Not multiplying matrices, but everything else, you know, we could turn things around. Well, I think everything else off the top of my head. So from here, could I combine like terms already? Sure, we can combine them. That would be cosine theta, tan theta, two of them. So that's really 2 cosine theta, tan theta. All right. So line by line, no equal signs, not an equation. This is all an expression. Line by line, here we go. From here, I'll continue. So I'll just draw some arrows showing step, step, step. What? Sorry, my camera. I think I need a new desk camera. I'm having a really rough time. From there, I'm going to use the quotient identity to rewrite tan theta. So that's 2 cosine theta times quotient identity allows me to rewrite tan theta as sine theta over cosine theta, or if you feel ambitious, depending on the problem, if you needed to make it secant theta over cosecant theta, just remember that tangent is always s over c, and the cofunctions go together. Sine goes with cosine, and cosecant and secant go together as well, but it's s on top for tangent, c on bottom, and the reverse, the reciprocal, if it's cotangent. From there, since that's like over 1, we can reduce cosine, cosine. Multiply is to simplify. We can reduce. What is left behind? We are left with 2 times sine theta, and that's as simplified as we can get it. And there's your final answer for your simplified trig expression. If you're happy and you know it, thumbs it up. If not, thumbs it down. Questions, comments, concerns, make requests in the comments. And the description box below will have links to tons of old and new videos of the same topic. And check the thumbnail and playlist that pop up on the screen now if you're interested in the next video. Adios.